heartfelt thank you to everyone who joined us for our 20th anniversary picnic. Seeing everyone come together to celebrate this milestone made the day truly special. What started 20 years ago has grown because of the relationships we've built and the support we've received from this incredible community. We are grateful for every customer who trusted us, every employee who helped shape our journey, and every person who took time to celebrate with us. Thank you for being a part of our story. We had a wonderful time connecting, sharing memories, and looking ahead to the future. Here's to the next 20 years of celebrating change, building solutions, and growing together.